So over here you can see that I got the Snagit capture window, and what I want to do is capture a screenshot but copy the text in it directly. So in order to do that, I can go to image right here. On the region, I can simply go to grab text right here. So once I go to grab text, I can bring in something right here which has a lot of text on it and hit the capture button. So once I do that, I can go over here and click and drag this out right here just like this, and then that has been captured. And you can see that immediately after the screenshot have been captured, you can see that I can grab the text right here. So I can simply copy all right over here and then paste it into other applications like Microsoft Word. And that is how you can directly do a text capture inside of Snagit capture window and then paste it onto other applications. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.